Hello friends, Miss Doohan here. Welcome to week 3 of virtual learning, distance learning, online learning, whatever you want to call it, this crazy stuff that we're doing. And this is our video, just our how-to of what we're looking at for assignments in math this week and where to find everything. So this is the first slide you're going to see. The only thing that will be different is the video that you're watching right now will be embedded right here. So hopefully everything on this will stay the same. Next slide is information about Flipgrid. One thing I should have done, and I apologize I didn't do this before we started, but I'm going to go back and hopefully let's fix that, is I need to have your grown-up at home complete a permission form for you to be able to use Flipgrid. So you just need to click on this word, open up the Google form. This is your Flipgrid consent form. Take your Chromebook over to your grown-up at home, have them read this information. And if they give consent for Flipgrid use, click yes. If not, click no. Your name or your grown-up student's name, which would be you, and then their name, and then hit submit so that we can make sure we're good to go. If they don't give consent, then you can no longer do Flipgrid videos. Most of you who are using it are signed up already. If you haven't and you'd like to, go ahead and click on this link to get signed up. And then this week, our Flipgrid will be, what is your hidden talent, or what are your talents? So click here and record a video of you doing your talents. Can you do a back handspring? Can you make your tongue into a taco? Can you make your ears move? Are you the most amazing hair braider in the world? Can you make a basket with a basketball from the other side of the house? I don't know. Whatever your talent is, take a video of it, dazzle us with your amazing abilities, and share it on Flipgrid. Also, don't forget, the cool thing about Flipgrid, and let me open it for you, is that you can respond. Oh, yep, this isn't opened yet. So let me see. What's the best? We'll just go to Flipgrid. The cool thing about Flipgrid is you can respond to other people's videos. So if you are in here and you are watching one of the, I know you guys see it differently. So anywho, when you're watching a video, let's take a look at Ethan's here. I'm just okay. If you see this green bubble down here below the video, you can hit reply and record a Flipgrid of your own as a reply to someone else's Flipgrid. So let's go ahead and try to do a reply for someone's Flipgrid this week so that everybody gets some sort of feedback on the Flipgrid that they did. So, and of course, be kind and school appropriate with that. Slide number 3 is lesson 1, modeling three-dimensional shapes using nets. First thing you want to do is complete the needs form. So click on the link, open it up, complete your needs form. This should take you, just a couple seconds, especially if there's nothing you need. But if there is, always make sure that you type it here and I'll do my best to help you out. So let me close that. Once you've completed the needs form, watch both videos down here below, take notes, and then complete digits 14-2. The link is going to be in Google Classroom. If you click on classwork up here at the top, you'll see the link. Right now it's dark, light gray because it's not active yet, but by the time you watch this video, it will be blue and active, and you should be able to click on this and complete the assignment. Once you're done with lesson 1, and I would recommend doing these each day by day. So this could be your Monday. Do everything on this slide on Monday, and then on Tuesday you can move to slide number 2. Lesson 2 is applying the area formula. So you're going to watch this video down here called Covering the Cabinets, and then you need to figure out how many sticky notes you think it would take to cover the cabinet. Enter your best estimate in this Google form. You're going to open up the Google form. It looks like this. And you're going to put in an answer. So I'll show you, because I want to show you something here on the other end. Today I'm in Core 4. I'm going to say that it takes this many sticky notes. It doesn't take that many area formula. So explain how you got your answer. You're going to click submit. And then when you get to submit, don't exit out, because right here you can watch the video. Just click on this blue link right here to find out the answer, to see how you did with your guess. So that's kind of a cool thing. There's a video there. So that would be your lesson 2, so Tuesday, and then also complete the Edpuzzle assignment on surface area. Link again is in Google Classroom right here. It will be blue starting Monday. Lesson 3, I can use nets to calculate the surface area of a 3-dimensional shape. So if you want to do this by day, this would be your Wednesday lesson. You're going to watch the videos below about the surface area of prisms. There's 3 of them here, and I go through how to solve finding the surface area of a cube, a rectangular prism, and a triangular prism. And definitely get a piece of paper and do the problems along with me while you're watching the videos, because you can hear me tell you how to do it and you can see me tell you how to do it, but it really will help you remember and learn it if you're actually writing things down and solving the problem along with me. Again, there's a digits assignment to go along with this, 14-3. Link is right here in Google Classroom. Then day 4, lesson 4. So if you are going to do this a lesson per day, this would be your Thursday lesson. This is the surface area of pyramids. And again, I really recommend that you get a piece of paper and solve the problems with me along with the videos. First video is how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. And then the second video is how to find the surface area of a triangular pyramid. Did I say prism? I meant pyramid. When you're done watching those videos and taking notes, you're going to complete digits 14-4. Again, the link is in Google Classroom. Then lesson 5, if you do 1 lesson per day, this would be a Friday, but let me just make a suggestion with this, a word of caution to you. Lesson 5, is a review, something we would have done if we were taking the air test in May, but since we're not taking that, we're just going to go ahead and make sure we're reviewing all the stuff that you learned this year to make sure you don't forget it. So air practice 6 is subtracting, adding, multiplying, and dividing decimals using the standard algorithm. I'm going to warn you, this is a little bit long this week. So what I would really recommend is to print this out or open it up or whatever you need to do, and work on this a little bit every day this week, okay? So that you're not overwhelmed and having to spend hours on this all on Friday. It's completely up to you. You do it the way you want. But if it were me, I'd probably just work on this maybe 10, 15 minutes a day, solving a couple problems so that you weren't overwhelmed on Friday. So the first page is adding decimals, remembering to line up your decimal points before adding and adding zeros where you need. The second page is subtracting decimals. Third page is multiplying decimals. Fourth page is that yucky long division that we don't like very much, but we got to know how to do it. Any remainders or any numbers that don't divide out evenly, you'll write as a remainder in the answer. Dividing decimals, these are all going to be decimal answers, and then the last page are some word problems for you to solve, okay? So a little bit of extra pages for this air practice 6, but like I said, if you print it out at the beginning of the week or you open it up at the beginning of the week and solve it on a separate piece of paper, it won't be as awful as if you try to do it all in one day. It's not very much fun. But when you're done with it, watch the video to check your answers, and then complete the Google form to submit your score, just like we do every week. And then here on slide number 8, I've created a checklist for you. So don't worry, you've got this cute little animal. And this is going to be all the things that you need to have done this week. A couple optional things. As always, the Flipgrid is optional. You do need to complete your needs Google form every single Monday. You've got a digits 14-2 homework covering the cabinet, Google form, an Edpuzzle for surface area, digits 14-3 and 14-4 homeworks, and And Air Practice 6, you need to fill out the Google form once you've completed that. Also, an optional challenge problem for you. I've attached a breakout room. So if you go down to slide number 9 over here, directions are here on how to get into the breakout room. Again, this is optional, just something fun for you to do if you're bored. It is not math related. There's no math in this. It's just a regular breakout room, kind of based on birthday, like a birthday challenge. So you have to go in and figure out the puzzles and open the locks and see if you can break out. So if you're going to do this, you just go to this website, sign up with Google Classroom, add a class, and your class codes are here depending on which core you are in. You're going to then confirm and click View Classes, find your Miss Doohan's core, whatever core number you are in for math, and then click the green play button next to Birthday Party Puzzler. If you guys like this, I will go ahead and assign some more of these breakout rooms for you. There are some that are related to math, but there are a bunch that are just kind of fun things. So that's your list of things to do for week 3 of virtual learning. As always, all of the assignments will be available starting Monday, April 13th at 9 a.m. and they are all due Sunday, April 19th at 11:59. Office hours for your teachers, again, are Monday through Friday, 9 to 11, and then again from 1 to 2 every day, Monday through Friday. So if you have any questions or need any help, please email me before, or Ms. Brooks, before 2 p.m. on Friday. Thank you to those who have already reached out to me for help with different things. Please, if you need anything at all, email me and I will do my best to help you in any way I possibly can. So have a great week and good luck with everything. Let me know if you need anything. Miss you lots.